I don't know where I'd actually be within the TV career if it wasn't for the partnership between USW and SAW.
It was really fun. It was amazing.
I think having the relationship between academia and an organisation like Screen Alliance Wales allows so many graduates to have the opportunity of hands-on work that they would never normally get.
During my placement, I was on Doctor Who in the art department as just a little assistant. I got to do quite a lot of different things. I got to do some lovely graphics work, and I also got to do some CAD stuff, and I also got to do some Photoshop bits.
I was able to get 2 weeks work shadowing as a floor runner on the first series of his Dark Materials. Because of that, I made a lot of contacts within the industry, and it led to me getting a SAW traineeship on the second series of his Dark Materials straight after my graduation.
I think the relationship we have is quite unique. I haven't heard of any other relationship quite as close as we have with USW.
I think just having a partnership with someone like SAW, it really takes you a step forward from normal just placements.
There's not much TV work that I've actually done that hasn't come from contacts I've made through the SAW partnership. So I don't know where I'd actually be within the TV career if it wasn't for the partnership between USW and SAW.